Hello, today we'll be looking at the cost of building a two-bedroom flat apartment in Nigeria. This is actually a two-bedroom block of flats into two units. So here is the living room, that is the dining, and let's get to the bedroom so we find out.
Yeah, inside the two-bedroom apartment, as you can see, we have finished most of this building part. We have finished the ceiling. We have done the electrical wirings. We have done most of the electrical wirings. As you can see over there, we have done most of it. And we have also done the plumbing. We have done the plumbing of this building and we have fixed the door frames. So what is actually left now is the tiling of these buildings. So this is one bedroom. I have the other bedroom over there, and this is the lobby, and it has a living room which I just passed. So this building has taken mostly 3 months to completion to this level. Okay, let's see the other bedroom how it actually looks like. And here is the kitchen. It's actually dark, but you can see the kitchen slab here. So that the two-bedroom apartment, block of flats, bungalow actually. So this is the kitchen for this building. And here I have the second bedroom in this block of flats. You can see most of the building have been completed. The plastering, the electrical wiring, the ceiling, the door frames, and also the plumbing has also been done. So I'll be giving estimate of this building materials that have been used in this building to completion. So you have to stay tuned and watch the video to the end. In this video, I'll be talking about the cost of building a two-bedroom flat apartment in Nigeria, which is a double flat, two-bedroom double flat. So I'll be giving the breakdown estimate of how much it costs to build this house in Nigeria in 2022. So you want to watch this video to the end to find out how much to build this building till the end and the cost. So we have the spaces here. We have the two-bedroom, the wardrobe, the living room, the dining. We have a kitchen. We have the veranda and also an entrance lobby on this building. So looking at the cost of materials now, we have 90 lengths of 12 rods at the price of 4,800. We have 50 lengths of 10 rods. We have 2 rows of binding wire. We have 300 pieces of blocks, that is 6 inches blocks. That is what is going to be used for this building. We have 200 bags of cement. We have 40 tons of granite, and for a ton of granite it actually costs 20 ton of granite cost 143,000 naira. We have 15 tons of sharp sand, 3 trips of laterite. Then we also bought 3 bundles of pegs, that is for the pegging of the building. We also bought 2 bags of nails at the price of 12,500 naira for each bag. So for the labor here, for the digging of the foundation, we have paid 100,000 naira for it. For the pouring of the foundation, we have paid 57,400 naira. For the rammering, the setting of the concrete, we have paid 60,000 naira for that. For the labor, for the block laying, we have paid a total of 230,000 naira for this. So you can see the total cost here is at 3,000 3.3 million naira. So moving forward, we have some notes for you here. If you're building in Nigeria, you would like to look at this note and take some observations from it. You have to employ qualified people to build your house. You do not need to employ people because they are related to you. So you always have to make sure you employ the qualified people to build your house for you in Nigeria. Okay. So moving forward, we also have be ahead of the building prices in Nigeria. So building material prices in Nigeria changes a lot week by week, daily. So you just have to be ahead of the market in Nigeria to be able to build effortlessly. So also make sure you buy your building materials from the most economical place. Okay. So for the building walls, we have bought 60 bags of cement for the block laying of the 2-bedroom flat apartment. We have bought 8 tons of sharp sand for that also. So we have also bought 20 tons of stones for the lintels, bought 90 pieces of plank so for the boardings and other structural part of this building. So for the total, we have 225,500 naira is the total of the walls. So moving forward, we have a note here for you. You start your building during the dry season because of the weather rainy season we have in Nigeria. So always schedule your building to build your projects during the dry season because to save you from running away from the rain, you know. So secure your work site by building storage facilities where you can put your cements, uh, your nails so that they won't get rusted. Because if the rain comes and hits, falls on them, then most of your materials is going to get damaged. So you always have to look up for this type of thing. So for the building plans, always avoid unnecessary fancy buildings from building designers because on site these fancy buildings can cost you a lot of materials to actually actualize your building dream or your dream house. Okay, so we have for the roofing, these are the materials which we have used for the roofing. Uh, 2 bags of 4 inches nails at the price of 12,500 naira. So we have 3 bags of 3 inches nails, which we have also used for this building. It's 218.6 meters square meter of long span, aluminium zinc actually. So 2,500 naira. That's the zinc that's been used. So for the long span installation of this zinc, we have paid a total of 150,000 naira for the installation of this roofing sheet. Okay, so looking at the total here, for the foundation we have 3.3 million naira. For the walls we have 225,000 naira. For the roofing we have spent 746,500 naira. So for the miscellaneous here, we have arrived at the total of 1 million after checking our expenditures um, unforeseen expenditures, yeah, you can call it. So the labor is actually included though. So these are what we have arrived in. So for building a two-bedroom flat apartment in Cross River State, Calabar actually, it has cost us 5.3 million to build a two-bedroom double flat unit. So we have two bedrooms and two bedrooms. So I hope you get the idea. So building a two-bedroom flat actually may cost less than this. So you can see this like building a kind of four-bedroom, but it's way more bigger than four bedrooms. So I hope you understand this. So if you found the video useful and you like the content, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.